What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Blizzard Kennels checking in. As y'all can see right here, I told y'all 2024 is gonna be nice. Um, Last video I showed y'all the Pomeranians. The black one was the female. She had her puppies 2 weeks ago, so this puppy is 2 weeks old, all white like his dad. Very healthy, short, compact. You can see his eyes is open. Very nice little pup. So if y'all want one, I'll tap in. This is the only one she had. The other one died. See, it's probably hungry. It's probably hungry, you guys. But see how he is. I got him in this cage because his mom liked to jump out the whelping box and not feed him, so that's why he's in here. But he's sleeping. He is a white and cream color. Okay. Pomeranian, you guys, full-blooded Pomeranian, CKC registered. Told you big things. 2024. Y'all holler at me. Get in contact with me. All right.